Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Ada's Recipes with you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make easy fail-proof pap. Guys, if you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you guys. So here we have a raw pap, okay, known as akamu in Igbo and ogi in Yoruba, okay. So what you're going to do is to dissolve this pap. So add water little at a time so as to get the consistency you want. You're going to be making not too thick, not too light pap, okay? And as we get along, I will show you the consistency for that perfect pap. So guys, here is the consistency we want. Hope you guys are seeing the consistency. The next thing you're going to do is to add boiled water, like boiling water. As you add, you mix, as you guys can see. So once you drop the hot water, you wait a little, then start stirring, okay? So hope you guys are seeing a perfect lump-free pap. Not too thick and not too light, okay? This is a perfect consistency of that perfect pap you want, okay? So it's not easy, but for most people, like it's easy, but for most people, they say it's not easy. But guys, just follow this trick and you make that perfect lump-free pap you want, okay? If you want it very thick, it then means when you're dissolving the pap, okay, the raw pap, you add little water, okay, to have a thick consistency. But when it's time to add hot water, don't add too much boiling hot water, okay? So if the water boils, leave it for like, few seconds, then you add the water to the pap to get, a lump-free pap. Okay, guys. So as you guys can see, our pap is very perfect, lump-free. Okay, you can add sugar if you want. Sugar is optional. You can as well add milk. So this is a common, breakfast recipe in Nigeria, as most of us know. Okay, but most times people find it difficult, but guys, I'm here to tell you it's not difficult once you follow this trick, okay? It's not difficult at all once you follow this trick. I showed you guys here, okay? So if you want the thick pap, like I said, you're going to add little water when you are mixing your raw pap. Then you add not too very hot water when you are adding your hot water to get a thick lump-free pap. Thank you guys and see you in my next one. Bye.